Hi y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I am showing you a December daily made from Posh Pink Christmas, Oohlala's newest kit. It's a beautiful kit and I'll be making another different type of journal with it. But this is our December daily, and these are part of the freebie. She did some advent numbers or just numbers. Or December daily numbers, I should say. They go through all the way through the month. We have the year and the date there. It's stitched all the way around. I'm using this pretty pink satin ribbon to bind it together. I used some new PVA glue and I just don't like it. This is the second journal where I don't have any flexibility in the cover, and it's got to be the new PVA glue that I'm using. So I will go back to my Fabric Fix. But the inside is lined with gold fabric, and then we have a pocket made of lace down here. We have this open envelope that you can write in, and then we have this little pad in here for putting scriptures or little notes or whatever. We have a doily, and here's a little fabric flip. I thought it went really cute with this paper. And we have a small rip in that page. I don't know how that happened. So here's page 1. There's room for writing there, and we also have a card for writing that I've been using Kitsch Flamingo in this kit. Such a pretty color. We have a lace pocket here for day 2 and day 3. There's plenty of writing with all of the elements as well as the page. Here's day 4 and 5. Again, there's plenty of writing there. Day 6 takes up both pages. And again, these are the envelopes that I open all the way up for writing. Day 7 and 8, we have this. We have another little match, like a matchbook with all this paper. It's sewn in with the sewing machine. And I did a whole bunch all at once. Look at that. I love that carriage. Very pretty. Plenty of writing there. Day 9, you have writing spots. This is also part of day 9. Love the train. Day 10, we have writing as well as a card. And day 11, this opens up for some writing. Day 12 is both sides. You can write on that with, I use a Sharpie pen. Oh, I can't find it, can't reach it. Day 13 and 14. Love the little lace here. Incision lace. Here's day 15 and 16. There is some writing there. And then here. This is the center. Isn't that cool? Love that. Day 17 is both sides, and you have a journaling card. These little Polaroids are cute. Day 18 and 19. Day 20 and 21. Can also do some writing on that. Okay, 22 and 23. We have a couple of journaling cards there. Plenty of space there. 24 has both sides. Isn't that cute? Okay, 25 also has both sides. Merry Christmas, this beautiful tree. There's writing here, there's writing here, and then all of these cards. Okay, 26 and 27. 28 and 29, plenty of space for writing. 30 and 31. December Daily is writing something each day for the month of December. And there are some people, I believe Tracy Fox is one of them, but don't quote me on that, who give prompts each day. But I think I'll use it just to have a little memory keeping book. So there we go. I love the cover. Love this applique. There's actually 2 appliques there, and then the ribbon. So there we go. Thank you for hanging out with me today. I hope you enjoyed this journal. And I will see you in the next video. Don't forget to like and leave a comment.